Everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday. Then I'll also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have a special unboxing. Before I get into the unboxing, I need for y'all to click on my subscribe button. Yes, you all, please click on it because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, I'm going to jump straight into this here unboxing. This here is my new iPhone case. Yes, your girl finally upgraded her iPhone. If y'all didn't know, I did have the iPhone 10 and I had that phone for about 2 years because the phone was paid off. Y'all know me, y'all know I normally upgrade every year, but I don't know, for some reason I just wasn't loving the iPhones. I don't know, it's just nothing was speaking to me. But for some reason I was having issues with my iPhone, like it was shut down by itself, it was glitching a lot, it was just causing problems for me to upgrade, you all. So here is the case. You get the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'm going to open. I did open it, but I didn't take the case out because I like to save my unboxings for my actual video. You do have to peek just to make sure everything is everything, because I didn't want to do an unboxing and be like, oh my god, what's this or what's that. So everything is in perfect condition far as the iPhone case. I never had any issues with Apple anyway, y'all, but I just still peeked. But yeah, here is the case, and let me see what color this here. This here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max silicone case, and do it say the color? I don't know, mega across the screen for you all. And I did order this online because I'm not sure, but right now our Apple stores are closed. I think they're open now for that blush pink that I had with my iPhone 10 back when I had the silicone case. My son had got it for me, but for some reason they don't have this here iPhone 12 Pro Max in that, you know, that blush pink color. It is here on the back. I guess if you have the new charging port, you can just place it on the charging, that little charging station, and it'll charge the phone inside of the case on that wireless charger. So yeah, but I didn't purchase that wireless charger as of yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it, but yeah, y'all never know. I'll say something now and then here I go talk about, hey you all, look at my new, you know. So I'm not sure as of yet, but yeah, here is the case, and it do have like this here dark, like a darker purple like plastic around the camera. It's not looking to upgrade to a 12 Pro Max. When I went into AT&T to upgrade to the new iPhone, the colors that I was picking out, she was like, oh, they won't ship until like January, February. And I'm like, that's a little too long. Now I could wait a couple of weeks, but January, February, I was like, no, I can't wait. So I said, okay, go ahead and check the 12 Pro Max. I told her the color, and she was like between the 8th and 11th. So you all, I purchased the 12 Pro Max in the 128 gig, and it came sooner than the 8th through, no, I think it was the 11th through the 18th. After I left the store, I think the next day, it was, they sent me an email saying it's shipped, and I was like, oh my goodness. I probably could have ordered the 12 and just took a chance, but with that being said, I'm glad I did go with the bigger phone, because like I said, I did come from the 10 me of my iPhone 7 Plus. This here phone is beautiful, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this hair case on here. Now the one thing about this hair phone being so big and my hands are small, I do have to put a pop socket on the case. Now this hair case I got from Amazon, here from TJ Maxx. I was looking for an actual pop socket, but they weren't really cute, and I thought this one here was a lot cuter. The only thing about this here particular case, it is going to cover the iPhone, and this phone to me is just so pretty that I sometimes don't even want to cover it. But yeah, look at this. I guess when you put the phone in, it comes, that circle thing come up. I don't know what that's for. I guess it's let you know it's ready to charge, I guess. Said I didn't purchase that wireless charger. And this Apple case feels so good. I know a lot of people always say Apple cases are expensive, which they are expensive, because this one here I think was $40, $49, 50 some dollars with tax, depending on your depending on your area. To me, it just fits and feels so good in your hands. You all want to spend the money for all Apple cases, just get one Apple case, because it's worth every penny, you all. It feels so good in my hands. Grip is nice. It's not slippery or anything like that. This here, hello snowman. I'm not sure if you can see it. It may be too bright, but yeah, to customize my iPhone with all the new widgets and everything, because I did notice that, see if you can see, I have the let it snow, fix my iPhone, and then your ports are down here which are exposed, so you don't have any issues with your charging. And no, my vanity mirror has, since this here is that new charging, I can't plug my iPhone in on the side of my vanity anymore, and that is a bummer for me. So I had a particular charger, because I don't like to take my charger from the house and take it into my car for my car, and of course that doesn't work anymore. So I'm gonna have to upgrade everything. So if you're like me, coming from the 10, just taking consideration, you're gonna have to upgrade everything for us charging charging things. Boxing, they don't come with earplugs, and they do not come with a charging block, but lucky for me, I do have the iPad Pro, which comes with the block, and that's what I use for now. I think an extra block, I'm not sure if I'm going to purchase an extra block, but if y'all wanted to know, they are $20. To me, it should at least came with the block. Okay, I understand the earphones, but at least the block, you all, because I mean, at least the block, Apple, because this phone is not cheap. Even if you purchasing it on your phone bill and you paying payments, it's still not a cheap phone. Like, y'all should at least had the block included. Apple, like, we love you, but you know, I'm a diehard Apple fan. Never had Android or anything like that, even though sometimes I'm like, okay, Apple, y'all could do a little better. But again, it would never stop me from purchasing Apple products. I just wanted to share this here unboxing of my new iPhone case. That's my unboxing of my new case. I know I rambled a whole lot, but if I would have just did the unboxing, the video would have been really short. So before I go, you all, please make sure you click on my subscribe button and my notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, yes, until next time, we will talk to you later. Oh, and before I go, let me know if you have the new iPhone, if you have the iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro Max. And if you do have the 12 Pro Max, let me know down below how you are liking the phone. So with that being said, you all, I will talk to you later. Bye.